Welcome to my channel. COMFAST Wi-Fi Range Extender setup via WPS. 1. Plug in the COMFAST extender near your router. 2. Wait for the power LED to become stable, usually solid or blinking blue. 3. Press the WPS button on your main Wi-Fi router, hold for 2 to 3 seconds. Within 1 minute, press the WPS button on the COMFAST extender. Wait for the signal or Wi-Fi LED on the extender to turn solid, blue or green, indicating a successful connection. Reposition the extender halfway between your router and the weak signal area. You can now connect devices to the extended Wi-Fi network. SSID usually ends with _ext. For instant help call 1-800-915-5645.